In October 2019, Google discontinued the support of Daydream. Therefore, you cannot use the integrated Play Store app to install Android apps on the Lenovo Mirage Solo. No matter what app you try to install, the error is always that your device cannot connect to Google at the moment. Fortunately, there is one trick so that we can still install and use our favorite virtual reality apps. In this video, you will learn how to install Android apps on your Lenovo Mirage Solo even if the integrated Play Store app doesn't work anymore. In a first step, we need to enable access to 2D apps. Go to the dashboard. Click on the settings icon in the upper right corner. Then click on Beta Features. Here we can enable the Access 2D Apps option. Click on the switch to enable this feature. After that, the VR headset has to be restarted for the feature to become active. Please restart now. Welcome back to part 2. Now that 2D app access is enabled, we should be able to use the 2D version of the Google Play Store app. Click on the library icon to see the list of installed apps. Previously, we could only see VR apps. Now there should be 2 tabs at the top. The left tab shows only virtual reality apps. The right tab shows normal 2D apps. All you have to do is go to the right 2D tab. Then click on Play Store and you will see the Google Play Store app just as it looks on your smartphone. Most Daydream VR apps can be found easily by searching. For example, we can search for the app within VR, which is one of the advertised Daydream apps. Simply click on Install and wait for the installation to finish. Each installed app can be launched in 2D mode or in VR mode. Don't be confused by the fact that clicking on the Open button will launch the 2D version of the app. If you want to run the VR version of an app, you'll have to navigate to your library and start it from there. Unfortunately, some apps have been deleted from the Google Play Store, while others don't appear in the search results. Apps like Google Spotlight Stories can only be found if you search for their exact name, then wait for the auto-completion, and click on the first suggested app. That's it for this video. In the video description you can find a list of Daydream-compatible VR apps which are still available in the Google Play Store. Thanks for watching.